Today, we are going to talk about the subject of what grandiose future thinking is, and how to best deal with it. So, picture this. Grandiose future thinking is when someone talks about their future like it's a movie trailer they already starred in. Everything is huge, everything is legendary, and everything is supposedly happening next week. I'm gonna be a billionaire in 2 years. My new company is about to blow up. I'm gonna change the world, just watch. Now listen. Dreaming big isn't the issue. We all need vision. The problem is when the future sounds like a promise, but the present has no proof, no plan, and no progress to back it up. And this is exactly why it shows up in narcissists. Why narcissists use this tactic. Narcissists don't sell you on who they are, they sell you on who they will be someday, in this magical, obstacle-free future they invented. Why? Because it gives them control of the narrative. If the future is always amazing, you stay impressed. A way to avoid accountability. You can't measure a fantasy. Emotional leverage. If you believe in their big future, they can ask for your patience, your loyalty, your energy, even your money. Identity inflation makes them feel powerful without doing the actual work. Supply from admiration is when they get the applause early, and you get the receipts never. It's a smokescreen. If they can keep you focused on the idea of their greatness later, you might miss the lack of greatness now. Healthy future thinkers versus narcissistic future talkers. A healthy future thinker says, I'm working toward this, step by step. A narcissist says, it's already done in my mind, so celebrate me now. And 9 times out of 10, they talk about the future more than they ever walk into it. The real tell. Big future. Small effort. Loud declarations. Quiet execution. And somehow, everyone else is expected to fill in the blanks. Bottom line, it's not vision, it's performance. And if you're healing from narcissistic abuse, this is one of those patterns you learn to spot a mile away. Because you lived the hope, the hype, and the heartbreak when nothing actually changed. So now, we keep the dreams big, but the boundaries bigger.